Namaskar. Today we are going to play the quiz on Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. And how you can play this quiz, I am showing you. Under this, what you have to do is you can visit the site www.mygov.in, and here you can click on the quiz option. Here you can see different options are there. You can also click here mygov.in quiz option. So when you will click on quiz.mygov.in, you can see Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav Dekho Apna Desh webinar quiz. This is going on. So click on play quiz here. When you will click on play quiz, you have to log in before playing the quiz. So you can see here it's trying to contact the server of mygov.in. You will be redirected to log in with your email ID, your mobile and OTP combinations, or any other social sites, for example Facebook. So in this way you can log in here, but you have to wait for some times, as it takes more time as normal timing, also before normal timing. Now you can see here, you can see, for example, I'm trying to type here my mobile number, login with OTP. Now you can see one OTP I have received here. So in this way you can click here on submit. When you will click submit option here, you can see that you will be redirected to the quiz platform, or the user who are having the .gov.in email ID or @nrc.in, they can directly log in with their email and password also. So this is a limited option available to very few persons in India. Now you can see one problem that they are facing is about server. In case you can you are facing this type of issue, what you have to do, you have to simply click on back. After that, it's already logged in, you are already logged in. So here you can click on MyGov quiz, and you are already logged in. You can see here my account option is there already. So you are already logged in, that's why no need to log in again, as we have logged in through the OTP option there. So the server is taking a lot of time. In that case, what you can do is simply play on mygov.in. After that, what you will do is you have to wait for some time. Then you will be directed to play the quiz. Here you can see Dekho Apna Desh webinar quiz. Now again we have to click on login, as we are not authorized at that time, so it requires a little bit authorizations. In that case, we can only wait. We don't have any other options to leave it back or moving forward. As this quiz consists of 20 questions and only 600 seconds, you have to attempt all the questions. The first 100, those who will successfully completed the quiz, they will be awarded with the prize, and others are also going to be awarded with the certificates. So what I do think that we can get the certificates only here, as it's time at this quiz is going to be end by 5:30 p.m. So I don't think that any other options are there where we can solve this issue. Hopes it's not that much visible. So in that way, my sincere suggestion is that go for solving back to home option, and then try to log in from the top, not from the quiz section. Try to log in from this top only. So thank you for watching. keep trying, and in case you are able to take part in this quiz, then you can contact me in the comment box section also. So thank you for watching this video.